Alright guys, so we're in Hannah's room today. I'm going to clean it all out, like get everything out. So I've done this to the living room a couple of times. I'll put a link on the end of the video and then maybe do like a iCard or something showing you the videos where I do the living room, where I take everything out and I clean it from top to bottom. So I recently bought a carpet cleaner and I haven't opened it yet because I want to clean the carpets in the living room, but I just haven't done it. It's just one of those things where you kind of just have to do it, and I'm just not in the mood to do it. So Hannah's room is much smaller, so I think I'm gonna do her room first. Which this is probably not something that I'm gonna want to do, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So I'm in my pajamas, I don't have a bra on, we're still in quarantine, isolation, whatever you want to call it. My kids are fighting in the other room, whatever. But I figured I'd just bring you guys along. So let's see Hannah's room now. So yeah, these are clean. I brought the basket in here not too long ago and we kind of forgot about putting it away. She just has toys right here, some clothes, that's Noah's stuff. I'm gonna take all of the toys and they're gonna go in the living room and we're gonna sort through every single thing and we're gonna make labels for her bins. I got a Cricut, so I'm gonna kind of be a little bougie and extra with that. And I found this little blue one somewhere, I think when I was cleaning out another toy thing. So I'll put a label on that. And then she made like a little tent the other day. Yeah, this is food I found under her tent just now, right here. So I took all that apart and there was food. There's her plate. But I'm gonna get this all cleaned out. These are, these have been in here since like we moved. These are Noah, Will, and Zach when Noah was probably like almost 2. This is my bridal picture, and then here's our family picture, which this is it. I'm getting it out of here today. We haven't had family pictures done since this, and that was 8 years ago. It's a long time. All these purses, she doesn't need all these purses. This is where we keep her shoes, so we're gonna go through all of her shoes and stuff. Her clothes, I already went through her clothes recently to get all of her stuff that doesn't fit, so I know her clothes are fine. But she has toy bins under here. We're gonna go through that. She doesn't have much under her bed, but we're gonna get it out. Like her play stuff is under there, and I'm gonna take her bed out and everything else. The dresser's gonna stay just because it's really old and I'm afraid that we might break the legs trying to squeeze it in and out of a room. So I'm gonna clean it and we're just gonna move it just a little bit when I use the carpet cleaner. So we're gonna get started. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get the wagon out of the car because I'm that lazy, but let's get going. And we are gonna use our blue wagon to put all the toys in. So now I gotta find room for everything to get it all in there. All right, Hannah, we're gonna put toys in the wagon, not clothes. Understand?
Why are the toys in the wagon?
Because we're taking everything out of her room to clean it. organized mess. So I've got all of her little bags right here, little zip up pouches. She gets just so many. Hair bows back here. She took all of her little phones. She has like all these little play phones, a ton of them from when she was like a baby, but they play with them still. Oh, play money is gonna go. I think I'm gonna put the phones and the food and stuff in there. These are like the little weird houses and stuff. We set those up in her closet. Which we had been doing that. These are all of the Hatchimals and like Shimmer and Shine. They're like the little people. So I put that all here. I'm gonna get a container for that. This is all of the food, kitchen type stuff. And then there's the play money, you know, like the credit card companies that send you cards as a sample. Keep them for your kids to play with. They love them. This is baby accessories. These are the baby clothes. I tried to put the baby clothes in this and it's just too much. So we're gonna might have two. And then I have 2 totes here and I have 3 baskets here. So these are all like stuffed animals and stuff. There's dolls right there. These are like little drawing things. There's a Barbie car. But we have like doctor stuff. She has more than this. It's probably upstairs. So this stuff will go into a box. And then these are just like random things I might put with the Hatchimals. Not sure. We'll see. And these are just like, this is from a booger game that we have. These are all little Lego pieces. These are all necklaces and jewelry. Trying to keep this separate with their glasses. This is baby stuff. And then this is all Barbie stuff. And then here's some books, notebooks and stuff. All right, I think, yeah. And then I'm going to try to figure out which basket to put everything in. And once it's dry, we can put it back. Okay, so I just made some labels for the ones that I have. So we've got Doc McStuffins. I think it's going to fit like just right. Hatchimals, Barbie, the food one, baby. I was trying to do it so where maybe she would, you know, she can read a little bit, but not like fully. But I'm going to put these on the bins and then I have to run to the Dollar Tree tonight. So I'm going to grab a couple more bins for just like the couple other like random things that need bins. So we're finally done. So we decided to move it around. I think this gives her a much bigger floor space. If you remember, it only had this little teeny spot right here. So she has a nice big floor to play with.
Oh,
Hold on, hold on. So we have her doll bed right there, her doll house, and then I will show you all of her toys, which we've got everything organized in here. And then we have her bows and stuff up there. Down here she has her food, Barbie stuff, her Barbie cars. And the only thing that's under here is her baby dress-up clothes, her little drawing board, she's talking to Noah, her dress-up stuff, and her pink puzzle.
get out!
Okay, stop. Shh. Noah,
Can I say
out,
something?
please. All right, go ahead.
We have like a big space everywhere. Like now I have a huge, bigger room. When my bed is like there, I'm like, I'm not cool like that. I have my dresser right here. I used to have my dresser right here. My dollhouse over here next to my dresser. And lots of mess over here and everywhere. Now I have a bigger room and I want to show you all the labels.
All right, hold on a second, okay? Let me finish this part. All right, so the floor is just a little damp, so we're going to bring the dehumidifier back in here. They're fighting. It's almost bedtime.
So
So it's dark out here. We started at like 9 this morning, like 11 hours later.
You're not in this room.
Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so that's it. It's all clean. We wiped down the walls. We wiped down the trim. Hannah, please stop. Noah, get off the door. Okay, we're done. It's clean. We're going to dry the floor some more. What?
Mommy? Okay, I'm going to show you. This is my games.
Okay, hold on 1 second. Just 1 second. All right, so we're done. It's clean. Now it's time for everybody to get ready for bed.
And I want to...
Okay.
For my blessings, I love everyone and my father and my mom and my brother. I'd like to enter you into my room and show you, and I want a sleepover with Noah, and I please thanks. I want a sleepover with Noah, and I would like to offer you to my room, and my room has been replaced and moved around, and it's huge, and I really like it. My blessings, I love everyone. It's my turn, it's my turn. Welcome to the grand opening of Hannah's new remodeled room. Now she's about to cut the ribbon. Go ahead, Hannah. Like this. Okay.
Woo!
And now come